Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today I will continue the chapter of quadratic equation in one variable with some interesting sums. So let's solve the first numericals. First of all, read the question. If minus 4 is a root of the equation x square plus 2x plus 4p is equals to 0, then find the values of k for which the equation x square plus p within bracket 1 plus k into x plus 7 within bracket 3 plus 2k is equals to 0 has equal roots. So you can see that the total sum has two parts. First part is if minus 4 is the root of the equation x square plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. That means if I solve this equation, we will get two roots. One of them is minus 4. Now look at this equation. X square plus 2x plus 4p is equals to 0. You can see here that this equation has two variables and one value of root is given, that is minus 4. So let first of all put the value of root in this equation. So if I put minus 4 in place of x, we will get 2 into minus 4 whole square plus 2 into minus 4 plus 4p is equals to 0. That means 16 minus 8 plus 4p is equals to 0, or 8 plus 4p is equals to 0 and 4p is equals to minus 8, that means p equals to minus 2. So I got the value of p which is minus 2. Now look at the second part of the numerical. Then find the value of k of this equation for which this equation has the equal roots. Now the quadratic equation x square plus p into 1 plus 3x into x plus 7 into 3 plus 2x is equals to 0. This quadratic equation has equal roots. And from my previous class you already know that whenever as discriminant there are two equal roots of any quadratic equation, the format d is equals to d will be b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. That means b square is equals to 4ac, right? So if I compare this equation with the quadratic equation format, what I will get? First of all, write the equation here. Okay. Now compare it with the well-known quadratic equation format where x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now value of a will be 1 after comparing with it. B will be p into 1 plus 3k and c will be 7 into 3k 3 plus 2k, right? Now as the equation has two equal roots, that means b square minus 4ac will be 0. So if I put here b square, that means p 1 plus 3k whole square minus 4 into a, that means 1, c means 7 into 3 plus 2k would be 0. Now what is the value of p? Already we have got, that is minus 2. 1 plus 3k square 28, 3 plus 2k is equals to 0. Now minus 2 square, that is 4 into 1 plus 3k square minus 3 is a 24, 3 to the 6, 84 minus 56k equals to 0. Now if I solve this part, 1 plus 6k plus 9k square minus 84 minus 56k equals to 0. Now 4 plus 24k plus 36 k square minus 84 minus 56 k equals to 0. Now 36 k square plus 24 k minus 56 k minus 84 plus 4 is equals to 0. That means 36 k square minus 32k minus 80 is equals to 0. All are divisible by 4. So, if I divide the whole thing with a 4, we will get 8k minus 20 equals to 0. Now, if we factor it, I can dissociate it into 9k square minus, because I have to make it minus 8, so I can write it here 180k 18k minus 10k plus 10k minus 20 is equals to 0, because 9 into 20, that is 180, and by 180 I have to make 8k. So 18k minus 18k plus 10k will be minus 18k, right? If I take common 9, then 9k will be common, k minus 2, and here also if I take 10 as a common, k minus 2, that means equals to 0. Now it will be like this, k minus 2 into 9k plus 10 is equals to 0. So k will be 2, and here also minus 10 by 9. Right. So we have two values of k. One is 2, another is minus 10 by 9. Okay. Now the second question is like this: if k is a natural number and the roots of the equation x square plus 11x plus 6k is equals to 0 are rational numbers, then find the value of the smallest value of k. So here also the question has two parts. One part, that means in this equation the root has rational number, first part, and the second part is we have to find the value of k. Okay, so let starts by writing this equation. 16k is equals to 0. Now if we compare this equation with the format of quadratic equation again, it will be like this: a equals to 1, b equals to 11, and c is equals to 6k. Right. So what will be the value of discriminant? It will be b square minus 4ac. Right. And if I put the values of b square and ac in this equation, we will get b square, that means 11 square, minus 4 into a, that is 1, c is equals to 6k, that is 121 minus 24k. Okay, so this is the value of discriminant. Now what has been given? That if k is a natural number and the roots of equation these are also natural numbers, that means the coefficients of the given equations are rational numbers. The coefficients of the equation are rational numbers. Coefficient means A, B and C. Okay. So, the given equation also have rational roots, right? When the discriminant is a perfect root, because unless it becomes a perfect root, it will not be a rational number, right? So, what will be the value of k for which the total thing will be a perfect root, and also side by side we have to find that smallest value of k. Okay, so we will put from the smallest value. So write down 121 minus 224. In place of k, we will put first of all 1. That means 121 minus 24, it will be 97. It's not a square, perfect square, right? Then we will put 2 in place of k. What will be value? 121 minus 48, that will be 73. It is also not a perfect square, right? Next put 3, because we have to find out actually the smallest value of k. So in place of k I am putting the different values, and obviously I am taking the smaller values. So 121 minus 73, that means 49. Now 49 is a perfect square, because 7 square is equals to 49. So, the value of k will be 3, right? So, I hope you have understood this numerical. Now, the next question is, if the equation 1 plus m square within bracket x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square within bracket is equals to 0 has equal roots, then prove that c square is equals to a square within bracket 1 plus m square. Now look at this equation. It has been given that this polynomial or this quadratic equation has equal roots, right? So first of all write down the quadratic equation. 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equals to 0. As in earlier case, we have to compare with the basic format. So a is equals to 1 plus m square, b is equals to 2mc, and c is equals to c square minus a square, right? As c is in both case, so I am writing it as a capital C, so that it will not mix up. Okay. Now it has been given that this polynomial or this quadratic equation has equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, where b square is equals to 4ac, right? The discriminant. So in place of b square and ac, I will put this value and check whether it comes or not, because we have to prove it. So in place of b square, I am putting 2mc whole square minus 4 into a, that means 1 plus m square. Place of c, I am putting c square minus a square is equals to 0. So it will be 4m square c square minus 4 into, I am just multiplying this both part. So c square minus a square plus m square c square minus a square m square, right? Now 4m square c square is equals to 4c square minus 4 into minus a square, that means plus 4a square minus 4m square c square plus 4a square m square is equals to 0. Now look at this equation. I will get 4m square c square and minus 4m square c square. So it will be nullified, and if I write this 4c square minus 4c square plus 4a square plus 4a square m square. So in all three cases 4 is common, so taking 4 as a common, right, I will get minus c square plus a square plus a square m square is equals to 0, and minus c square is equals plus a square m square is equals to 0. Now if I take a square common from these two part, I will get 1 plus m square, right? Now a square into 1 plus m square is equals to, if I take it in the right hand side, so it will be c square, which has been given in this equation. Prove that c square equals to a square into within bracket 1 plus m square. It's the same, only I have to just convert into other side, that means a square plus 1 plus m square, and hence proved. So by this numerical, I am completing this chapter of quadratic equation in one variable. In next my video, I will again discuss some very important chapters of class 9 and 10 and many more. So if you want to watch this kind of video, please comment in the videos parts, and if you like it, please share and subscribe as many as can be possible. So for today, I am just signing off, and thanks for watching my video. Good night.